Stop! Your car wash is not done. Let me show you some tips and tricks you can add to your trim and exterior paint to make your car glow. I think everybody should have this in their arsenal. You see this? This is why we always want you to clean your trim. Hey guys, we just washed this Jeep Gladiator and we pulled it inside the detail garage. Usually at this point, people think the car wash routine is done, but with the real detail, it's really about the detail. So we're gonna be hitting the trim, exterior paint, and glass to make that car pop. Let's go ahead and get started. First tip, and probably the most important tip, would be to clean your trim before applying any dressing on it. We just wanna make sure you start with a clean base so the dressing can last a lot longer. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Nonsense all-purpose cleaner and pair it up with my Boar's Hair detailing brush. I love using Nonsense to start off with a clean surface because it is odorless. Not only can you use it on the exterior of your trim, but you can use it on the interior, you can use it at home. There's multiple uses for Nonsense. I love Nonsense, it's great, it's a versatile product. I think everybody should have this in their arsenal. First thing you wanna go ahead and do is spray it onto your trim. I like adding 2 to 3 sprays, and then you're gonna spray it onto your detailing brush. This will just help you add extra lubrication, and what you wanna do is go ahead and scrub back and forth. And what I used to think would be, why do I need to clean my trim after I just washed my car? Well, if you really think about it, when you're washing your car, you're mostly focusing on your paint and not your trim, and especially all the dirt and grime that's on your wash mitt, you kind of want to avoid this area. So after a rinse, you're still going to see a lot of grime and dirt. So cleaning it with a brush, you're just really going to hit that final detail of your trim. And now you just wipe it off. You see this? This is why we always want you to clean your trim. You guys saw the car be cleaned, it was washed. This is why you guys want to be cleaning your trim. Well, that looked great. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the trim. It shouldn't take me any more than 5 minutes. Super simple, but let me just go ahead and finish that up and then we'll go on to the next step. Today we're going to be using tire and trim gel. This is a great product for all of your exterior trim pieces, especially for a car like this that has a lot of exterior plastic trim. This is going to be an oil-based dressing, so great to reject UV rays and other harsh elements. So what you want to do next is grab a microfiber applicator. We're going to apply about 4 drops just for this exterior plastic trim. It's super easy to apply. I'm going to go ahead and blot it out. And then just work it in, side to side, up and down, just getting into all of that plastic. An oil-based dressing is gonna last longer than a water-based dressing, making it ideal for exterior trim. All right, so you can already see a big difference from the non-treated side to the treated side. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the trim and then we'll go on to our next steps. Our next step is to protect the paint. We're gonna be using Blazing Banana spray wax. This is the easiest form of wax to apply on your vehicle. It is in a spray form. It's gonna help pick up any residue left behind and create a high gloss shine for your paint. Now you can work it in, buff off any excess. It is safe if it gets on your trim. If you got any tire and trim gel on the paint, it can help pick it up. And for my final step, we're gonna be using HydroView. HydroView is a ceramic-infused glass cleaner that will protect and clean your glass. So what you wanna do first is go ahead and spray it onto your glass. grab your Clean Stroke microfiber drying towel. This is a dual-sided towel that has microfiber towel on one side and a waffle weave on the other side. So we're going to start off with our microfiber side and clean the glass. Flip it to your waffle weave side and just go ahead and buff off any excess. And just like that, it's that easy and simple to apply ceramic onto your glass. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of the truck, but in the meantime, you can check out all of these products at chemicalguys.com or at your local detail garage. My name's Jenny. Go ahead and give this video a like, comment, or share this video, and we'll see you next time.